Yeah.
Oh. Tässä on nappali. Loimaa. Suomen ja Finland.
Juvankatu 11.
I wonder if it's working or if it's locked up.
Yeah.
Let's check that out. It's very amazing. Let's see.
Yeah.
What is A?
No, I don't know. It's the press it if it's open, but
Yeah, it's too slow. The basic floor is locked up. That's the basement floor. That's why it says A.
yeah.
It says no there.
Yeah.
Right. But this will be a long video if it
Yeah.
built in 1948. Very amazing. This number
Yeah.
is 3392. Wow. The capacity is 24 so 2000 grams. It's definitely the best one today's
Yeah,
one.
of course.
Yes. Not really anything.
Yeah. Inspected bike device and maintained by Kone properly. It doesn't say it.
Second ride.
Yeah.
Nobody's coming.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's it.
Or it's actually maintained by Hissihuolto Loimaan Sähkötalo.
Yeah. I bet.
So,
You guys will love this.
yeah.
This is something for him, of course.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And there are some more elevators, and we have to check them out.
2 more? Or?
Yeah, I think. But maybe fourth one also, but
We will check them out.
yeah.
This was a very amazing
Yeah.
place.
It's
That's wonderful.
Yeah. It's also possible that there are some Epilän Kone elevators even, but
What?
it's also possible that some of the elevators are Epilän Kone or something.
Yeah,
but
yeah. It's not impossible.
yeah.
I'll press.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the first one. Which 1 and 2 are 1 and 2 are half hours.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. That's beautiful wall decorations. Although the Arab isn't necessary.
Yeah.
Let's take pictures here.
And it's going to be more nice, unfortunately, but at least we got it now. That's